So now we know a little bit about what Oracle is. Where did Oracle come from? Well, in a nutshell, Oracle version 1 was written, but never officially released, by three guys named Larry Ellison, Bob Miner, and Ed Oates. They formed a company that eventually became Relational Software, Inc., and given that Codd's paper was written just 8 years before, you can see that Oracle has been in the relational database business since the beginning, and it's certainly a market leader today in 2014. You'll notice trends more recently. You'll notice that we have 8i released in 1999, 10G released in 2003, and 12C, the version we're concerned with, released in 2014. Now, what are those one-letter identifiers? As you can see, the 8i release brought a lot of internet web capability to the table. You had the ability to interact using SQL from a web browser. That was a big deal in the late 90s for sure. In the early 2000s, with 10G, this is where Oracle brought grid computing to the forefront. Now, what is grid computing? In a nutshell, a grid infrastructure refers to deploying what's called a massively parallel infrastructure, where you have things like a storage fabric, where you have shared storage that consists of pluggable hard drives that you can just expand by adding